Greetings everyone, Doug Cofiell, CEO of Ivystone. Just here with a message as we approached fourth quarter of 2022. Just wanted to give kind of an overall update on where we see things in business overall as we get ready to close out the year. In terms of what Ivystone's seeing with orders or cancellations, that type of situation, we haven't had a lot. There's been a lot of stories about heavy cancellations at some of the major accounts, but in general across the independent channel, we've seen very few fall holiday cancellations unless things were really delayed for a particular vendor or supplier in this case. Overall, the ordering's been pretty strong as we've gotten into the season. We had kind of a lull a little bit in the summer, but now as we've gotten into fall and we see more retail activity, the orders have been fairly strong. Overall, the current economic conditions have changed quite a bit throughout the course of the year. There's a lot more bad news out there. I think just in general, the pessimism's kind of permeated, the broader indices, things that you see like the stock market and across the news. Hear a lot of bad stories, but in general, it's a very unusual time because normally when you hear those kinds of stories, we have heavy inflation, we've got some difficulty in the markets. You normally don't see the level of employment we have, which is very strong, close to full employment, still lots of job openings out there. So usually those conditions are strong for the market. We've had gas prices come down a bit and now start to creep back up again. Always something to keep an eye on as that hurts the disposable income of the consumer that you're all counting on. But overall, the economic conditions seem to be stronger in the localities in the independent retail section than they do overall. We'd expect Q4 to still be pretty good, probably better than you're hearing in general on kind of the news, but not the way we predicted when the year started. So as we roll into Q4, the remainder of Q4, we think that need to concentrate on the fundamentals, making sure you have the right inventory and the right items in stock, making sure those best sellers are still brought back in because the inventory is there from the vendors, and just be ready for that new influx of customers that's going to need their goods late in the season. May not have availability online. There might be still jammed up shipping at the end of the year. So remember, you're going to get that late surge. So with that, thank you all for your business. We appreciate all you do, and please reach out to anybody at Ivystone, your salesperson, anybody here at the company. Always happy to answer questions or help in any way we can. Thanks.